Hello, G-Traders, you're watching Traders Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. The following macroeconomic reports will be released in the early half of the week. Thus, on Monday, the US will disclose its industrial production data for August. The indicator is seen to have grown 0.3% on a monthly basis. In the previous months, industrial output in the United States showed steady growth, signaling economic momentum in early second half of the year. The US industrial production increased in July by a seasonally adjusted 0.4% from the preceding months. Experts had anticipated a 0.2% expansion. Recovering consumer and business spending after robust economic growth in the second quarter contributed to the increase in the indicator. It's also worth mentioning that annual reading climbed 5%, suggesting the US economy is steadily but slowly gaining speed. On Tuesday, Germany is to publish its economic sentiment data measured by the ZEF Center for Economic Research. The index is projected to decline to 8 points. German economic sentiment deteriorated sharply in August, hitting the lowest level since December 2012. The indicator tumbled by 18.5 points to 8.6 from July. The reading of 27.1 amid global geopolitical tension. Analysts had expected it to come in at 17 points. The current conditions index plummeted to 44.3 in August from 61.8 in July. On Wednesday, Eurostat will provide its report on consumer price index for August. Experts say inflation has risen to 0.3% from 0.4% in the prior months. The previous month's figure matched the analysts' anticipations. It's important to note that inflation to the euro area is staying below 1% for 10 consecutive months. July's growth was the lowest since October 2009. Inflation across the 18-nation eurozone was 0.5% in June. On a monthly basis, consumer prices edged down 0.7%, more than expectations for a 0.6% decline. Also, the following event will be unveiled at the beginning of the week. On Monday, Germany will publish its Bundesbank monthly report, and the United States will release its New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy meeting minutes will be out. The UK will provide its consumer prices and producer prices data. Meanwhile, in Canada, manufacturing sales data will be released. And the United States is set to unveil its producer price index figures. On Wednesday, the Bank of England will publish its Monetary Policy Committee minutes. There also will be several labour market reports in the UK. The US will publish its consumer inflation figures as well as the Fed interest rate decision. It was Economic Calendar on InstаForекс TV channel. Have a nice trading!